So we are starting here with a Ford Escape 2015. So this is gonna be the first bolt we use here that we need to remove. Not even a bolt, we're just undoing this strap so this can come off. And then you got sensor. Seems like that's how it pops up. There you go. There we go. You gotta be real careful with this sensor. I'm gonna take that out here. And there's like 3 little popping things. I don't know if you can see it, but there's one there, one here, one here. So you basically grab from the bottom and you're gonna push up. There you go. See, this just pops up right here. Okay, so the Ford Escape. And then this one here, this is always fun. You're gonna get your little handy dandy side tool, which I have no clue where it's at. Here you go. Remember guys, keep your bags organized. Don't be like me. So we're gonna start by doing this undoing this positive. I don't know if you can see. So we do this, undo this positive, and we're gonna pop this thing, slide up. Or not. You thought. Psych. So I like to just pop it out. There you go. So I think that should be enough space for it to come out. And when you got that, these terminals, you have a size 10 bolt on there. This one, you need this. Honestly, a short nose 10 would probably be the best, but I'm not in the mood to get it out. I just lost mine, so I had to replace it. So let's see if this is gonna work. So this is a pain in the butt. I think we're gonna have to get that down. This is what we need. See? It's actually a lot better. It's my favorite tool here. You just hold it with one finger so it doesn't twist when it's going back. And then this is gonna be a process. Yeah, those bolts though that hold on the battery, they're like, you can't unscrew them with your fingers. Well, at least now I can. I don't have that Spartan blood in me. If you're a Spartan, you probably do it. Yep. They're like a Persian. No offense, but anybody that's from Persia. I used to love that Persia game, Prince of Persia. Oh, it's always a cool game. So, one bolt. Now let's get the other one. So, I don't know if you guys can see in there. There's literally the battery mount there. So there's 2 bolts, 2 10s. One is gonna be there, one is gonna be there, and then this pops up. So that's what's holding down the battery. And now once you do that, you'll be able to pop this out. And then once you pop this out, you gotta pull out that negative. That negative will come up. You just extends. So with that negative, you have enough space to get it out. So, and then right there, just undo this bolt. Oh, it's corroded. That's why it's not coming out. Look at that. Wow. Amazing. So, I don't know if you guys can see all this badass corrosion. Don't ever do that, ever. Oh, that hurt my back. Look at that. So we're gonna clean all this corrosion off.